copied only a portion of this problem into the screen, the part that has to do with asking the questions. You can see the rest of the problem in the text, but basically it says that there's a boy named Antonio, and he has this picture of his track and field area at school, and he wants to figure out the scale of the figure. He knows that the distance between A and B, and let me kind of draw that line there so you can see, it's a straight line distance from here, straight line, from here down to here. That straight line distance is 183 meters in real life, and what he needs to know is the scale of the actual drawing. What we know here isn't that distance on the drawing. We know the distance from here to here and then from here back up. So we're going to have to figure out kind of the third side of this triangle here. We're going to use Pythagorean theorem for that. Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and A and B are the two shorter sides of a triangle that has a 90-degree angle in it. So we're going to take A, which is 8, and square it, and add it to B, 14, and square that, and that'll give us C, this line here, also squared. So 8 squared is 64, plus 14 squared, which is 196, is equal to C squared. That gives us 260 equals C squared. So if we want to find out what C is, we'll take the square root of both sides. The square root is the opposite of squaring. So we get about 16.12 is C. So now we know that this distance from here to here is about 16.12 centimeters on the map. So now we know that in fact, I'm going to change colors. Now that we know that 16.12 centimeters compares to the actual real life distance, which is 183 meters. Centimeters compares to, and 183 meters is 18,300 centimeters. Thank you, easy metric system conversions. So now our comparison is 16.12 centimeters to 18,300 centimeters, which, if we actually do that division, we get 1 over 1135.23. So the comparison between the two then is that 1 centimeter on the map, 1 centimeter on the map compares to 1135 centimeters in real life. Let's see if that's reasonable. About 1,000 times as big, and we had 16 here and 18,000, a little more than 1,000 times. Yeah, that's reasonable.